and today's video I'm just gonna show you a very quick, easy, like fall inspired look. It's this look that I'm wearing right now, and the hit of this look is the lips. I love dark colored lips, and I just feel like it just complements every single skin tone. Doesn't matter what skin tone you have, it just looks good on everybody. And I kind of just did it very simple on the eyes, but I just liked like the bronzy look with a dark lip. The lip color I'm using is these two by Colourpop, and Colourpop, I always rave about them because they're super affordable, yet they're so pigmented. So if you haven't had a chance to check them out, you totally should. This is the liquid lipstick in Lax, and this is Duke's. So this is the Lippe sticks. They don't really come together, but I felt like they went really well together. I didn't show you that towards the end. I just showed you this one, but when I finished recording, I noticed I had like the middle part was kind of disappearing. So the color started going on very well, and then it just kind of disappeared in the middle. So that was kind of weird. So I just added this on top, like around my mouth, and it just paired up super perfect together. So that's what I used. And then for the eyes, I use currently my favorite palette right now. It's the Morphe. This is the 35R palette, and this palette is so nice. It's very simple. So if you're someone that's just likes neutral colors, then you're really gonna like this palette. Yeah, the colors went on really creamy. I really enjoyed this palette. I didn't think I'd like it just because, I mean, I got it a few months ago, and now is when I'm using it because I don't know, I don't have that many palettes, but the palettes I do have are kind of like on top of this one, so I don't really see this one oftenly. But I want to start using this palette just because I love the browns, and it has like a few little orangey colors. If you're like a pop of color person, you're not gonna like this palette because it has no pop of color. But the color swatches, like I'm gonna show it to you like right now before my actual tutorial start. I'm gonna show you how it swatches. Super creamy. So I don't want to make this intro so long, so I'm just gonna show you the swatches, and then we'll get right into how I got this look. It was super easy. You guys can do it. And yeah, I hope that you guys like it, and I want to keep doing more fall inspired looks just because I love this season. It's so beautiful, the orangey colors, the trees, everything. So yeah, if you're not already following me on Instagram, I'm gonna put my Instagram name right here. And also, if you kind of like fall makeup inspired looks or just fall period, like this video. And if you want to keep seeing more from me, just subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into the swatches and then right into the video.